I wake up early. I wake up early.
I woke up late yesterday. I woke up late yesterday.
He drinks coffee daily. He drinks coffee daily.
He drank tea in the afternoon. He drank tea in the afternoon.
I read the news online. I read the news online.
I read a good book last week. I read a good book last week.
We have lunch at noon. We have lunch at noon.
We had lunch at a nice restaurant. We had lunch at a nice restaurant.
She makes breakfast. She makes breakfast.
She made breakfast for everyone. She made breakfast for everyone.
We plan our day. We plan our day.
We planned a surprise party. We planned a surprise party.
She practices yoga. She practices yoga.
She practiced yoga last week. She practiced yoga last week.
They walk in the evening. They walk in the evening.
They walked in the park last evening. They walked in the park last evening.
I enjoy cooking. I enjoy cooking.
I cooked a new recipe last night. I cooked a new recipe last night.
I watch movies every Friday. I watch movies every Friday.
I watched a great movie last night. I watched a great movie last night.
She enjoys reading novels. She enjoys reading novels.
She read a fascinating novel last week. She read a fascinating novel last week.
I listen to music. I listen to music.
I listened to a great music. I listen to a great music.
I write in my diary. I write in my diary.
I wrote in my diary last night. I wrote in my diary last night.
I learn new languages. I learn new languages.
I learned Spanish last year. I learned Spanish last year.
I read books every night. I read books every night.
I read a book yesterday. I read a book yesterday.
They eat together. They eat together.
They ate together. They ate together.
She checks her messages. She checks her messages.
She checked her emails yesterday. She checked her emails yesterday.
We dance at parties. We dance at parties.
We danced all night at the wedding. We danced all night at the wedding.
I exercise every morning. I exercise every morning.
I exercised yesterday. I exercised yesterday.